Hi everyone, my name is Marisha. Today is the 23rd of June 2024. I'll be going over week 25 or week 26. I'll put it in the title of results of the front testing strategy. So without further ado, let's see here. On the 17th, we made a huge loss of $9,839.2, which is a 0.925% loss. Then on the next day, on the 18th, we made a small profit of $2,558.92, which is 0.241%. And next, on the 20th, we made another huge loss of $4,687.24, which is a 0.445% loss. And on the last day, on the 21st of the week, we made another loss of 0.022%, which is quite minor, but we started the week at 6.51% and we ended at 5.359%, which is pretty much a 1.15% loss, and our alpha is now down to minus 8.228%. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.